with having the 28 locations spread all across the state, as a company based out of our headquarters, we're able to see, okay, what assets do we have at each one of those specific locations? And then the managers and mechanics at those locations are able to see their own specific assets, put in their work orders, stay up to date on their services, and inventory lists and everything like that. So I think it'll be very streamlined for us as a company now, especially for our accounting department, as well as our operations department, to be able to make sure that, services are being billed correctly and the mechanics are being paid, and making sure that, any vehicles that might need to be replaced or fixed within our fleet, that's all kept track of right there in Servicefinder for us.
We service school districts of all different sizes. We are all over the state. We have operations that maybe run 8 school buses, up to operations that run 20, 30 school buses in a 2 or 3 tiered busing system. So having a software where we are able to specifically set up a user to manage that specific fleet is something that we definitely really needed, so that they are able to easily go into Servicefinder, pull up just their assets that service their school district. And then from an admin standpoint of where I stand, being able to see all of that of, what is each one of those specific locations doing when it comes to their services, their work orders, or any reports that they may be running. So we were able to go in, set up specific locations, which was a huge selling point for us to be able to use Servicefinder, and then set up users specific to those locations, and even restricting some of those users to what can they do in Servicefinder and what are things maybe we don't want them to either access or edit or be able to view. So far, Servicefinder has been able to provide us at Palmer Bus some great features, and we are looking to continue to grow that. Our staff, our managers, and our mechanics just love how easy it is to be able to do anything. And I kind of like to say that you can almost do anything just with the vehicle data grids of Servicefinder. You can start your work orders, you can look up the detailed information, be able to look up any parts that were used to do any work on the vehicle, how much it's cost us so far to work on that vehicle. So there's just been a lot of great features that we've loved that we've been loving to use so far within Servicefinder. And how quickly our staff has been able to adapt to it is another great thing that we've just absolutely enjoyed about Servicefinder.